In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Dropbox in Windows 11. First, let's open your web browser. You can use any browser you like, such as Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top of the window, type dropbox.com and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official Dropbox website, which is the safest place to download the app. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, look for a button or link that says Download or Download Dropbox. This is usually easy to spot on the main page. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will now start downloading the Dropbox installer file. You can usually see the progress at the bottom of your browser window or in the download section of your browser. When the download finishes, open the installer. You can do this by clicking the file directly from your browser's downloads bar or by going to your downloads folder in File Explorer and double-clicking the Dropbox setup file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal security prompt for installing new software. The Dropbox installer will now open. It may take a few moments to prepare the installation, so just wait while it runs. You'll see the Dropbox logo and a progress bar as it installs the necessary files on your computer. You usually don't need to change any settings here. The default options work well for most users. After the installation completes, Dropbox will open automatically. You'll see a sign-in window where you can log in using your existing Dropbox account. If you don't have an account yet, there will be an option to create one for free. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or sign up. Once you're signed in, Dropbox will create a special Dropbox folder on your computer. Anything you put in this folder will automatically sync to your Dropbox account online. You'll also notice a small Dropbox icon appear in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can click this icon to quickly access your files, check sync status, or open Dropbox settings. That's all you need to do. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on Windows 11. And you're now ready to start syncing and sharing your files.